What's going on? Jaco Savage Jr. And I am coming on here to send another update. I had sent a notice of appeal to the Fifth District regarding the Alliance matter, and I accidentally labeled it to the Fifth District Court of Appeals. So they sent it back and said send it to Alliance. Now I've already sent out my notice of appeals to Alliance courts yesterday. I just got this in the mail last night. Didn't know until this morning. So now I have to resend this as well. I'm challenging jurisdiction in the cases. Now, the fact of the matter is, no subject matter jurisdiction was ever discovered on the record. Not one time. The courts use information only, and that's illegal. Under the Constitution, under UCC, that is illegal to use information only to do an indictment on any individual. Okay? Now, you also have a right to be present in every step of your cases. I was never present at the grand jury to even understand or know what was being commenced into the common pleas courts. These lawyers and these public defenders, they run a duplicit state, okay? They stay within the guidelines of the bar, but they want to subsequently convict every person by statute or by code. We have to be alarmed about our rights under the Constitution of the United States of America. We have a right to travel these roadways, and for an officer to violate my rights and have another officer run me off the highway, because I know that that person was definitely an officer. You know, the way they worded the things in the witness statement was he was an officer. And he was the only person who found me at the scene after I was ran off the highway. Coincidence? I don't think so. But I was never cited. I never had a citation. Never went through nothing. There was no anything. No notice. I was never notified of any fucking criminal act. Not one time. And they know this. On August 9th, when that clerk allowed the constable to come in there and use information only to do an indictment to a grand jury without even disposing of the other charges, which were allied offenses under the similar import, you see the structure in these fucking cases, man. And I see it. I see it, and I'm climbing to the top of this chain, to the top of the ladder. I'm going to the United States Supreme Court if I have to, but this is going to go to the box the whole entire trip. Floyd J. Savage Jr. Google me. I'm not playing.